हेलो। कैसी हूँ भाई? आज पहली बार लाइफ में तो नहीं बोलूंगा, बट हाँ पहली बार जेजेएस खेलने वाला हूँ। इससे पहले मेरे दो चार दोस्त मुझे लेके आए थे, बट मैंने कहा था ये क्या गेम है।
And
हम्म,
why you hitting me here?
अब ये आज का मेरे टीचर, आज ये मुझे सिखाएगा।
Okay, which character are you?
वेसल।
Excel, okay. So, do you know how to backslash?
भाई आपने 2-4 दिन पहले सिखाया था।
I know, but like, you brother,
आई 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 एम ट्राइंग लैंडिंग इट। ओ लैंडेड।
don't even
ओके।
know that before. Mortal dummy. Two of
डू आई स्पॉन इमॉर्टल डमी? वेट। सर्वर
two immortal dummy. Two of it.
टू। Spawn. Done. Hey
Okay.
brother, I don't got any emote.
Okay.
Oh! Oh! I landed it two
He also very
times.
okay. Let me teach you again. Let me. Eh,
Okay, teach.
You see, hold up. Stand a
Let me
little
on my
far away.
shift lock. Yeah.
Yeah. You see, when you use divergences at the start,
Yeah, it pulls back. I know, bro. You told me that.
on the way back, divergence
I don't got the
all the
timing of it. यार किसी को इसकी टाइमिंग मैच करनी आती है तो मुझे प्लीज बताना।
yeah, yep, exactly. And hey, come back here.
That was nice.
Woo, hey,
Stay away.
go to your own dummy. Hey, did you forget? If you kill me, there will be cooldowns again.
Yeah, I sorry, dude.
Do it on your
Fi-
own, dummy, bro. Let me separate.
Let me try. My dummies or a farming.
Bro,
Let me try. दीवार तोड़ दूंगा, घर तोड़ दूंगा सबके।
agree not to say JJ or now.
Brother,
Woo.
who the hell was that?
All, I mean,
Bro is in the subway. I got it how to black flash. Next.
on another. Two more immortal dummies. I don't know what you just did, but want two more.
They are up there, brother. They are up there.
Boys, spawn two more.
Hey, brother, how many do I have to spawn?
Spawn two more,
One,
bro.
two.
Just
Done.
it's a black flash variant. When you hit them on the back,
Oh, let me try it.
power.
Dude, first it is hard for me to just land a black flash. First it was hard to know how to land a black flash. Now it is hard to land it. First me trying to get the okay. Bro, when this dummy is going away from me, then I am somehow landing the black flash. See,
Okay,
whenever I am facing at them, I can't land it. Wait, guys,
flash is too
it's
advanced.
too
Hold up,
loud. Black
show me your
flash's sound is too loud. Let me get it a little down for you all.
do your duty.
What?
Not on your UG combo. UG combo.
I don't remember, bro. I don't know. Tell me. I don't remember it. Okay, I'll try it.
I could not reach because it went too far away. Bruh. Okay.
But I don't know how to do that jumpy thingy.
But I tell you
I
how to
am
do.
I am separating you from the immortal dummy. Hey bro, my
Jump.
immortal dummy is in that.
Oh, idiot. Listen.
You are idiot,
Jump.
not me.
I am going to
Jump.
kill you so bad right now. Anyways, jump and then use crushing blow.
भाई इसके नीचे क्या है पता लोग जो मुझे लगा अभी मैं गिर रहा हूँ वहां पर.
Bro, jump and use crushing blow. Okay, I'm seriously about to kill you, bro. Jump and use crushing blow.
Okay. This.
Yeah, that.
Okay, let me practice this now. Okay.
There is another jumping that you can just jump and use curse.
Bam.
Jump
Got
use
it.
the first
Got it.
and use the first.
Oh, got it.
Jump and use the first. Oh, listen.
Bol.
Jump and use the first move. Jump and use the first move. Jump and use the first move. Jump and use the first.
Oh, okay. Okay.
You can do a simple combo with that too. Let me show you.
Start. I'll see.
Look, very
Bro,
carefully.
what are we
Okay.
doing to this train track?
Look very carefully. There is a combo with these jumping weapons.
Okay. Will you put him into the... Will you break the bedrock and put him into down there?
Bro, just try the combo.
It sounded sus.
Do down slam, air curse rise,
Arey
and
bro, I
crushing.
don't know how to do down slam in this game.
Okay, let me teach you then. First do the 3 punches, and when the last punch is about to do, jump and then do the last.
Okay, 1, 2,
It's
3. I have done the... I do the upper shot. Can we start it from a uppercut? I know how to do the uppercut. It is same in every game.
Bro, this place is getting. Let me just move the dummy a little.
Yeah, let's get... Bro, let me get my dummy as well. You dummy, what are you doing here? Come.
Bro,
I am
just
destroying...
Just spam the emergency. Okay, good.
He's
good.
here.
That's it.
He's here. Yeah.
Let me teach you how to do down slam. 3. When you are about to do the last one, jump and then do it.
1, 2, 3. Hey!
Not,
What was that?
Only jump when the last M1 is about to happen and then do it.
I know how to do the uppercut.
Don't only jump when you need to do the jump.
1, 2, 3.
Okay,
First, let me start with the basic UG combo.
You will not know how to do a UG combo. Let me tell you.
Okay.
First 3, you don't jump at all. On the last jump, press jump.
Let me
Don't
try.
hold jump.
Bro, I did.
Yes,
I
bro.
know how to
Just
do
like
uppercut. Hey, can you start a combo with uppercut?
bro, uppercut too hard to start combo.
Uppercut is good actually.
You think wrong. You are holding jump. Don't hold jump when you are using the M1. Only jump when you are about to.
Okay,
Just
let me
jump at the
try.
last.
1, 2.
Don't hold jump. Yes,
Okay.
that's what you were supposed to do. Bro, I'm
One
going
time
to kill
a
you.
charm.
That's what you're supposed to do. Don't hold. Hey, you are. On the last, yeah, just do that, bro. Just do that.
I am throwing in. Hey brother, come with me.
What was that?
I don't know. Hey bro, why is this guy like to go into corners?
What?
Nothing, nothing. Leave it. I am not trying to do a down slam.
First of all, practice down slam. I said practice down slam.
Okay. अब जब मिलता हूँ
You are
भाई
not listening. Very bad
प्रैक्टिस करके
listener.
डाउन स्लैम को प्रैक्टिस करके
Listening.
मिलता हूँ
2,000 years later.
भाई साहब बहुत टाइम लगा इसमें आ गया बट डाउन स्लैम अब ये दिखाएगा मुझे कॉम्बो दिखा
Okay. Do the down slam. Air
Okay.
variant of and then the slam. Very easy combo.
भाई साहब इधर लगेगा बहुत मेहनत
और
ए भाई
get
एक
this
काम
guy
करना
out
एक काम कर इस दीवार के अंदर घुस जाए उस डमी के साथ
What?
डमी को मार रहा है ये बीच में आ रहा है 1 2 3 बैम
No,
मैंने अपना ही कॉम्बो बना दिया
wrong crashing. Wrong crashing. You are supposed to use air variant of curse. Right.
ओके 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 ओके
Air variant.
ओके लेट मी ट्राई ना ब्रो आई एम अ बिगिनर नाउ व्हाट
Once at the wrong time.
बट
You a
at least I
little-
landed it
Yeah, you did land it, but you did it a little.
late okay 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 hey wait let my M1 restart hey bro
Not that-
it's let me try again let me try hey
Yes,
bro
come on.
I was here it didn't land
Bro, you can't. You just stopped mid combo like me.
what happened
What?
hey bro
You missed everything combo.
brother
Bro, let me show you again. I don't think you are understanding.
hey is this men's bathroom
That's very cheap.
bro
Okay,
which
now
washroom
you-
is this men's or women's I have to go to washroom first which is men's
I'm going to listen.
which is men's yeah I guess this is men's hey nah this is women's wrong one hey what's inside this hey I'll break this first hey let's leave it
Let me-
let's
let
leave
me
bro
tell-
alone
Look very carefully.
Okay. Done. Okay. Okay.
Very easy combo.
मैंने उसे दीवार में घुसेड़ दिया अरे तू पहले इधर आ मेरे भाई दीवारों से बाहर आ ब्रो लाइक्स टू टॉक विद दीवार I started a combo with uppercut. Damn. That's what I did, na?
Yep, that is exactly what you did.
Yeah.
But
Damn.
there are some uppercut techs you can do, like this. Move back. This
Bro,
takes a lot
when you will teach me uppercut combo, I will do ground slam combo. I am for sure.
Get this dummy out of this wall.
Bro, we can't practically. If we can throw him into the void, then hey, bro, throw him into the train track. I will call the train. Wait. First, let's kill him.
Okay, yeah. Yep. But these are immortal dummies, so these guys will not.
Who cares? Let's try it. Let's leave
God,
combo and
okay.
try if immortal dummy is really immortal. Hey, open the damn gate, dummy. Yeah, I got a gun. I will shoot that gun to you later.
Did you
Eh.
press the button?
Do I press it? Be ready.
Yes.
Call it. I have called
The
it.
city train has arrived
I am
on
ready.
platform
I'm
1.
standing in this corner watching your hard.
Hey!
Time to check up on them.
I broke the glass and now let's go. Let's go check on them real quick. Hey, that train was real good. We can't stand on that train.
No, we
Yeah.
cannot.
Hey bro, these
Ah.
immortal dummies. मैं मडीज बोलने वाला था dummies.
Bruh, they're all the way over here. Okay, let
Train
me
did a
get
good job.
Okay, let's
Bro,
just go back to
this bro Loki likes that. Staying in the wall.
this subway is too congested. Let's go to an open area.
You remember we also got two immortal dummies right here. One is there, one is there. I remember.
Here, here, here,
Where?
where I'm standing. Spawn two more immortal dummies.
Hey
This is
brother,
very
how many? Bro, do I spawn 10 immortal dummies? Let's just do it.
No, just spawn two.
Hey, where is immortal? Ek do.
Okay,
Done.
No, I have a feeling that to a uppercut combo you will learn how to do a down slam.
Yeah, I will learn how to do a down slam one.
Uppercut combo.
Nice.
Don't need to be black flash though. It can be normal divergent pistol.
Okay, now may I try?
Okay. Yep. Oh my god, you did. No way.
2, 3.
Wah.
Hey, I did a black flash.
Own combo.
Hey bro, I forgot to
Make
jump.
your own combo.
Okay. I am good at making my own combos. At this point, I am good at making my own combos. I wanted to do a black flash. Hey, let me try making my own combo. ए बना दिया मैंने तो बहुत सिंपल कॉम्बो 1 2 3 या फिर हो सकता है 2 एंड दिस 2 2 3 1 ये भी हो सकता है if I dash at the perfect time. Hey, my dummies is here. He's inside a wall. I don't know why these dummies love the wall so much.
Because
Hey, let me break this. Get here. This damn guy likes to stay in walls.
since you know how to do uppercut, I'm going to teach you a uppercut combo. Alright. Look very carefully. What?
Wait, let me try na. First, let me try do a uppercut. I forgot how to do it.
Hey, why are you doing it on my turn? Do it on your turn.
Hey bro, I am lagging. I am lagging. I am lagging.
What the hell are you doing?
Bro, I am lagging.
Yeah, that.
Oh, I know. I know that.
Let me tell you.
Hey bro, I am lagging.
Hey, why are you doing it? Do it on your own dummy.
Bro, I am lagging. Let me. Arey bro, what's my ping at?
What is your ping?
I don't know.
Check.
Hey, let me on performance mode. Wait. Let me check my ping real quick. On. My ping is 177 and I am lagging. 54. What?
What is 54?
Yeah, 99.
Bro, that
Are
is
you
good
moving?
ping.
I know. So I was lagging in the middle. I don't know why. Bruh. Let me off this real quick. Yeah. Now, can you move, bro?
Why you?
Let me try and learn uppercut now. Bro, now I can't do uppercut. When I was learning ground slam, I was doing uppercut like it was nothing.
Okay, then now try doing down slam.
Hey bro, I
Guy out of
get this guy out of the wall. Wall level. Wall lover, I meant to say. Two.
Bro, if you don't even know how to do a down slam or uppercut, then this will take a lot of time.
Dude, I know how to do both now.
Bro, you are using
Hey, let me try and do something real quick. Hey bro, why I wanna press 3 but I pressed 4 by mistake. And now let's go into some public server and try whatever you teach me. I don't know what you teach to me, but let's go.
bro, go get your dummy back here.
Bro, let's go and get
Trying to use my dummy.
Chal.
Bro, uppercut is so hard on mobile.
But you are doing it better than me. I am on PC. Hey bro,
Because I
this
know
guy is a
how
wall lover. This guy is a home lover. Hey, what did I just said? Ignore please whatever I just said.
uppercut has some pretty easy combos.
Uppercut na? I told you. Uppercut is... If you learn uppercut na, dude, most basic combo you can do. Oh! I just did the combo that you were trying to teach me with the ground slam, but with uppercut. I did that same combo. And the stun was crazy. Hey bro, let me try that combo, what I just did, on a normal dummy and see how much does it damage. Hey, you come here, you dumb. 1, 2, 3. Hey brother. 2, 3. Bam. Bro, this... I'm gonna... Screw it.
Bro, where did you go?
Die! You gotta die.
What did I do?
This dummy.
I'm trying to hit this uppercut and game is just not letting me.
Hey, I opened my that for some reason.
Why did you open the
Dude, this annoying brat dummy that can die was... Bro, I was trying to land my combo and he was going into the wall. I just opened my domain. Relevant shrine. Hey, do I kill this immortal dummy? Wait.
Finally, I hit this. Oh my. Spare me. Spare me. Spare me. Hold up, I want to test something. I saw on the internet that if you jump, you can escape Supuna's M1. So 3, 2, 1.
Hey, let me on my
Oh.
that.
It works. Hold up, 3, 3, 2, 1. Bro, why are you so delayed? 3, 2, 1.
Oh yeah,
It
you
did
can.
work. It works. Nice.
Hey bro, get away from me. Or open your domain. Or go get 6 eyes. Go get 6 eyes. Yeah, let's go. Let's destroy this immortal dummy. We were trying to learn.
Oh, wait.
Hey! Fun! Fun! Begins now. But whoever gets trapped in their domain, bro, we are cooked. We are cooked, chat. Oh shit.
Just so you know, I have cooldown. So,
Oh,
do all of
may
that.
let me
You
on
get
your
cool.
cooldown. All.
turn on and then turn off cooldowns again.
डन हो गया. अबे यार हम यहाँ पर लर्न करना आए थे ना यार. प्लेइंग मुझे पहली बार. अबे आजा.
I am coming. I am the dummy location. Wait.
Hey bro, we were trying to learn now. Now let's have some fun.
Okay, wait. I have an idea. Where are you?
हाँ कहाँ है? यहाँ हूँ.
Wait. Come here. I have
Yeah.
desi katta.
भाई
Hey my gun is
देसी
gone.
कट्टा got me dude. देसी कट्टा got me. Hey bro, stay away. I'm a open something. Bam! You deserve to die.
Bro, you are
Open! Bam!
held up.
I was trying to hit this guy. Bam! Now let's break this whole. Let's make some people's phone lag. Come. Oh, go get Gojo and spam that. Holo purple. Spam holo purple.
Bro, then
Let
you have
me-
to turn on those cooldowns again.
Wait, let me do something now. Wait.
I connected. Hold up, join my private server.
Be right back in his private server.
Let me turn off cooldowns.
इसके
All.
प्राइवेट सर्वर में मैं वापस आ गया हूँ. वी आर बैक इन हिज प्राइवेट सर्वर. भाई इस बार कुछ सिखा दे यार.
Anyways.
मुझे वीडियो 3 घंटे की नहीं बनानी. 3 या 4 घंटे की.
Bro, I missed. My bad. Let me spawn the immortal dummies first.
Dude, these immortal dummies like to go into walls.
They don't love to go into walls, you just push them into the walls. Okay. Bro, it's so hard.
What is hard?
Uppercut.
Hey yo, I thought something else.
Hey,
Bye.
bro, you are doing everything but learning how to play JJ.
Gone wrong. Video's title is gonna be playing JJS for the first time but gone wrong.
I have to like change the button size.
Hey dude, I don't know what I'm doing. Now let me try this thing genuinely. Okay, got a pretty good combo. I learned how to throw hands. Oh, perfect. And let me get my king of curses. Oh, okay. If black flash happens in the middle of my combo, I'll see. But I make sure it
Never
shouldn't
mind, bro, I
be.
am coming back on phone. This is way too hard. I am coming back on phone.
Phone player, a legend.
Too hard on iPad. I am coming back on phone.
iPad kid.
Phone is just
Hey bro, your voice is not coming. Just gotta tell you. Bro, your voice is not coming.
What do you mean my voice is?
Your voice was not coming for a second.
Can you hear me now?
Yeah, it is audible. वीडियो में देखना पड़ेगा भाई तेरी आवाज आ रही है या नहीं. नहीं आ रही होगी तो भाई मोए मोए. Bro,
Okay, how come you are all the way here?
I started. I don't know. Just don't ask me. I was trying to do a simple little bit of combos, and I got this guy to here.
I almost did a combo.
Bam!
No, how did I miss that? That was perfect timing.
Perfect timing even gets you.
I hit the wrong dummy. Okay.
Hey brother. And a struggle of life. Now actually teach me anything. Or it's time to go in a private. Hey bro, look at my combo. I made this combo. Look at my combo. Wait. Again it wouldn't come this fast when cooldown. But yeah, I can throw hands with him till then.
Yeah, Curse Strikes has a very long cooldown.
Yeah. So something
heck?
and I will press 4 till then if he does anything.
I want to try something. I wonder if JJS can allow us to do this. Oh, I just had a lag spike. Oh my god.
Me too, bro.
Okay.
What's is happening in JJS? My ping is perfect, but I'm still seeing you like go from there
I
to
know.
immediately front of me.
My frames are kind of going down a little. It was just at 20 SP.
20 AC बोला भाई तूने, not 20. Hey bro, I am actually lagging. My ping is okay. Now let's go into a public server and let's try
Let
and
me
get
teach you
some
some
kills.
mechanics.
Yeah, teach me some real quick.
Let me teach you some mechanics first.
Yeah, teach
So
me,
do
teach
you
me.
know spikes actually keeps your M1 chain? So if you do 3,
Not audible, bro. Not audible.
have your
You are not audible.
plan.
Hey, bro, you are not audible. I said.
How am I not?
Nope, still not. मुझे क्यों तोड़ा?
Great. Okay, so now
But you attacked me first, na?
it was a mistake.
Oh, it was on mistake? Sorry then.
Very right. Bro, you attacked me when I was low, not first. Very bad. Bro.
अरे भाई आना सिखाना, बाद में लड़ लेंगे इस बारे में. अबे यार पब्लिक सर्वर में चल रहे, जितना सीख लिया. अब चल पब्लिक सर्वर में लोगों को जाके मारेंगे.
You are just not trying. You are trying to not learn. Trying.
Bro, tell me some mechanics that you were telling me. You were not audible at that time.
Okay, so if you do one,
Bro, when you are telling me mechanics, why you are not audible?
and
Whenever you are telling mechanics, my things like blank, nothing.
but you know how to
Hey bro, don't hit, just talk. If you hit, there is no voice of you.
Bro, do you know how to use restless gambling?
Yeah, I don't know how to use Restless Gambler.
Should I teach you?
Nah, dude, I don't think my luck is that much good to use the Restless Gambler. Vessel OP in the chat. I can use 2 character. It is one of them is honored one because it's the goat, and the second goat, King of Curses.
I keep
Now,
searching this.
now let's go in a public server. Hey, join me in a public server. It's time to go in a public server. Let's meet you guys in a public server. पब्लिक सर्वर फाइनली ज्वाइन हो गया है. पता नहीं पब्लिक सर्वर इसके अंदर तो एक क्लिक करना होता है. अरे भाई ये मेरा दोस्त कीज इसके अंदर क्यों बैठा है 5000 किल के साथ. नहीं 4340. सॉरी मैन. नाउ आई हैव टू फाइंड समवन हु इज लोअर लेवल देन मी. व्हाई द हेल मैंने लेवल क्यों बोला.
Where did you go, bro?
I am John Cena. You can't see me.
But
Hey bro, someone opened his domain. And domain. Hey bro, let me stand on your domain. Hey bro, who is this guy standing AFK? Brother, hello? I will not hurt him or anything. But actually bro, hello? Hey bro, this server is crazy. Hello? I can't find literally anyone who is not fighting except you.
Okay. Come. Come here.
Hey bro, I am not going into that hurdle.
Kill this. Kill this. Kill him.
भाई आज का भाई एक पब्लिक सर्वर के अंदर भाई 3 किल है मोटे में लेना 3 किल मिलने के बाद भाई मजे मजे
Bro, where even are you?
अरे ब्रो आर यू ब्लाइंड सी बिहाइंड यू ए ब्रो हु इज दिस गाय ट्राई हार्ड ए ब्रो लेट्स गो इनटू द सबवे whoever is fighting in the subway I'll kill him nah bro it is my friend I'm not gonna kill my friend hey dude what you're doing sitting what you're doing sitting here my boy hey bro
No mercy.
no mercy bro he is just doing one thing if I show him any mercy na I am already cooked because bro is using one of the most broken character in this game I have used this character dude I have gotten
He's using a firing. He's a block spammer. He's a block spammer. Yeah. He's a block spammer. Fight. Bro, do you need some help?
nah if I get killed I get killed
I help.
bro I said if I get killed I get killed why did you join and bro is using the most broken character in this game what are you thinking what are you thinking he will do bro he's using one of the most broken character
How many kills does he have? Check the leader.
what's his name
Hello, my name is Jaya Jaya.
bro he has 51 kills hello my name hello I am player junior यही है ना उसका नाम bro he has 51 kills
He is using an overpowered character.
I told you that he's using a really overpowered one even no one can match him
I am. My game is.
and bro is using one thing bro knows how to do it best now bro's on me bro
He uses.
I don't regret getting killed by this guy because the only thing that I know he's using the most broken character in this game
I know.
bro when you are fighting these guys type of guys now you gotta be very you gotta know his
He's a block
the most
spammer. He will just spam block and then has the chance he will.
yeah I got it
He's a. So be very patient in this fight.
bro patience is the only thing that Blox Fruit players don't have
Like so he just got cooked.
yeah bro this time I don't know dude he's using one of the most broken character as you also said he's using one of the most broken character in the game भाई हम इधर कायदे से we were not here to like judge anyone but bro he's using one of the most broken character in this game what else can I actually do
I am also trying to kill him.
Shall you try to cook him? I am cooking someone outside. When bro is not. When bro is just sitting AFK. Sorry, bro. If you are seeing this video, sorry. Actually, sorry, dude. Actually, sorry.
Please, you are in a video.
Yeah. Yeah.
Hopefully.
भाई हेलो जूनियर हेलो प्लेयर जूनियर भाई यार तू मोस्ट ब्रोकन कैरेक्टर यूज कर रहा है यार हाउ डू वी सपोज टू विन हम जीते कैसे गोजो को समन करके होलो पर्पल मारे तुझे तब जाके मरेगा भाई तू
Bro, even then he will not die.
या
He's awakening with a one-shot counter.
bruh even then he will not die what do we do hey I got my domain
He's dead.
no bro would come back I'm for sure now I have to bro मैंने एक बंदा बाहर मार के आया हूँ now hey bro I told you he will come back
Oh, so he wants to fight me?
hey if he
I'm
starts
lag-
hitting on me na dude I will open my domain and kill this dude
Bro, I'm lagging. Don't use awakening.
as you said I will not use the awakening
If I died, then don't use awakening. If I die. Oh,
bro you are dying
Bro, this guy's opening is genuinely free. And I'm lagging with. What the hell?
bro he can't take a defeat just like us bro his movement is way faster hey bro this guy started hitting on me
Bro, what is my
yell open performance mode and see what's your ping
Bro, 77 ping is that bad.
77 ping is better than actually mine dude hey dude what was that thing
Then how much?
hey bro you kill I am just the extra player that मैं भाई डोमेन खोल लूंगा कसम से बोल रहा है मुझे बंदा मुझे खुंदक दिला रहा है
On 1%.
मैं डोमेन खोल लूंगा इसकी ऐसी की तैसी
Take it.
ब्रो आई विल ओपन डोमेन
Don't waste awakening.
अरे ब्रो मुझे वेस्टिंग करनी ही नहीं है भाई दोनों चिपट जाओ इसके पीछे एक जब ये एक को मारे ना एक उसके पीछे अलग पड़ जाओ They can only take one guy on a time ना dude अबे वो तो नहीं है क्वैकर्स टीम जो क्वैकर्स आजकल वो हो रहा है ब्रो स्पैमिंग वन थिंग डूड अब मैं मार दूंगा इसे जान से मार दूंगा मैं इसे डूड आई एम somehow alive
How?
I am just alive don't ask how
But don't.
ए भाई मैं बाहर जाके ना अपना और किल ढूंढ रहा हूँ तो इसे मारता रहे इम्पोस्टर ऑफ द वीडियो अबे मार जरा दो ओए जरा से 2 मिनट मारियो यार मुझे एक चीज लेनी है ओए शॉप कहाँ से खुलती थी यहाँ से ना अबे 150 रुपए अबे मैं 150 रुपए दूँ
That is for a eco.
या मुझे इमोट चाहिए था $100 पड़े ना मेरे पे I'd have to pay so much more just to get a damn emote.
But now that thing is better than cook. Just got cooked.
अब वो एक और बार आएगा भाई वापस आई एम श्योर
Bro. Oh, there he is.
Hey, just got a free kill. I am at 18 kills. I just need one more kill. Do I count that as a kill? I damaged him and he left. Still, I am counting as that a win. Just one more kill, then we are good to go.
That unskilled character make him so good at this game. His unskilled character.
You are good. You are good, not cooked. You are good. Hey bro, I need one more kill.
Where even are you, bro?
Outside, near at the cemetery. I am going to break it.
What
Yes, I am not breaking it.
Let us come.
Num 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 num. Where are you? My last kill is gonna be you. Where are you? I am going to kill you. My last kill is going to be you. It will make my life easy, bro. Where are you? Please come to the subway.
See, bro. I'm beside this easy dancing.
अरे bro, come to the subway. Dance after eating subway.
I am beside.
Bad joke. मुझे पता है भाई. बेकार जोक था.
Come to the cemetery. Come to the cemetery.
अरे आना.
Bro, come to the cemetery.
Cemetery. Oh, hey bro, there is a guy. Oh nah, no one is there. I am here. Let me kill you for the last time. In the
Come. Like it is. On the left.
hey dude, please don't. Okay, come down in the subway. We'll fight in the subway.
I have awakening.
I also have awakening. If you open it, I'll also open, dude. Don't worry about that.
If I don't. This is gonna cook so hard.
Okay.
So I am not going to be your. Okay.
I am mine.
Jump.
अबे मैं वहां पर खड़े होकर लोगों को ढूंढ रहा हूँ किसे मारूं.
Trying to me, bro. Please, your foot. It will be 400. You want to back?
अबे यार मुझे कोई और बंदा ढूंढना है. अबे तू वहाँ है. ओके. नाइट. अब मुझे कोई और बंदा ढूंढना है पहले तो. अरे भैया जी किसी को मार सकता हूँ मैं यहाँ पर.
No, what do you need? Things do I have? 400. Where is Mahi Kopde? Trying to kill. Oh, hell.
Hey nah, I got trapped in this guy's domain. ए भाई कीज को मैं पकड़ के मारूंगा. भाई ब्लॉक्स रोड में देख मत जाइयो. कीज कसम से तुझे बहुत मारूंगा. पकड़ के मारूंगा. ये बंदा दिख ना जाए मुझे बहुत ही मारूंगा इससे तो मैं. देख मत जाइयो कीज वरना तुझे बहुत ही पकड़ के मारूंगा मैं. कीज की कीज होगी. मैंने बोला कि मुझे भी नहीं पता.
There's nobody here.
अबे भाई कोई तो दिख जाओ यार. कोई दिखेगा ही नहीं. अबे क्या मुझे सर्वर हॉप करना पड़ेगा एक किल के लिए. 3 किल बोले 3 ही किल लूंगा मैं.
Oh.
Yeah, bro, someone did his open and I just missed it.
That was me, bro.
Oh.
I am.
Hey, bro, let me do start again recording when I find someone. Start ही नहीं करी. भाई साहब ये इस बंदे ने इसने मुझे एक और चांस दे दिया है. अरे भैया जी 2 मिनट रुक जाओ. सिल्वा भैया जी.
I shall not.
You may not spare anyone, but at least spare your brother, bro.
No.
Bro said like no. I might not even spare my brother. ए ब्रदर यू आर मेकिंग माय, नीचे आ जा। खोद दिया, अंडरग्राउंड खोद दिया भाई। जब भी मैं, भाई साहब मैं दूसरी बार मैं कितनी बार मरने वाला हूँ यहाँ, ये तीसरा किल लेने के चक्कर में। स्क्रू इट डूड। Boy, I am fighting a herder. I am going to see someone, whoever is there, and open my domain.
What's the mind of there?
अबे अब मैं किसको ढूंढूं यार, अब मैं किसको ढूंढूं?
Bro, I'm recruiting might of easy.
अब यार मुझे अपना वो डोमेन वेस्ट करना नहीं है, कोई नहीं आया तो वो दिक्कत हो जाएगी ना। कोई नहीं आया डोमेन में तो यार छोड़ो। I don't wanna engage with anyone. Why is bro engaging with me?
Might of awakening is here.
अबे यार दो ही किल काफी है क्या यार? 3 किल ओरिजिनली प्लान तो 3 किल का था, बट आई गेस 2 किल इज इनफ। अब भाई लोग यहाँ पर सबवे में बैठ के आउटरो करेंगे। हाँ भाई 3 किल का गोल था, बट 2 ही हो पाए, तीसरा पता नहीं कोई मिल नहीं रहा, और मुझे अपना डोमेन वेस्ट करना नहीं है अभी जाके, वो मैं करूँगा ही वैसे भी अभी तो। हाँ अब लाइक सब कमेंट, और यार कुछ अच्छी टिप बता देना इस गेम के अंदर मुझे खेलने को। दैट्स इट फॉर दिस वीडियो, बाय।